Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new busy day here. And everybody's getting ready to go about their business. What are you doing, girl? Sarah said morning face.
Morning face. Want juice?
You want juice? Yeah. Yes, mama.
What? Want juice?
Green juice to start the morning. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. So I'm having green juice. I don't know what I'm having for breakfast this morning, to be honest. I have no idea. Green juice for Sarah. Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a good day, whatever time of the day that you guys are watching this. Ow. Ow. Come, drink. Her teeth and the straw. Whatever time of the day you guys are watching this, Sarah is heading to preschool this morning for a few hours. You want biscuit? She loved the cookies I baked yesterday. If you guys haven't seen that vlog, or maybe it didn't go publish as yet, then you guys wouldn't have seen the vlog. I feel like I'm all over the place talking to you guys this morning. So Sarah's heading to preschool, Tyler's heading to school, baby's actually heading to work too. Say morning, honey.
Good morning.
Look at Sarah.
Fish. Poisson.
You gonna eat it? You want it or you don't want it? No? You're gonna give... No, Tai don't want it. Come. Put it back. Put it back in here. Put it back. Drink your juice. Drink your juice. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. I'm trying to head out of these. What do you want? You want both? We are heading out right now. Just enjoy the rest of today's vlog, whatever it is that I have to show you guys. I woke up and got my workout in this morning, which is good. I'm happy about that. So I'm gonna have my green juice, try and figure out the rest of the time before I leave here, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. Love you guys. Oh my gosh, dropped off everybody finally. Phew, child, this morning was a struggle. But mission accomplished. Can't take off my mask now. There's nobody around. I'm in town. Heading to McDonald's to see if I can have some breakfast and get a little one-on-one time in with myself. So I'll catch you guys at some point. But this is town right now. Town is a bit busy with people just commuting to work. No much action happening around because it's early morning. So this is what Nice town looks like at 9:30 in the morning. Up my little bubbles and we're going home. She eating her sandwich. Eating a sandwich. Eating lunch. Look how excited she is after school. Too cute. You had fun at school? Yes, good job. You dance and sing? Yeah? You guys, what a day it has been. OMG, I've been back from a long hectic day out, and I was like, why am I in the streets? And when I pick up Tyler from school now, I say,
Can I say hello?
wait, come here. I pick up Tyler from school, and when I go to the school gate, I'm like, why am I the only one in mask? What's going on?
We stopped wearing masks in my class now, and all the class.
Mask is not I know I heard it on the news that it's not mandatory as of today, but I completely forget. But honey child, it's only mandatory when you go in public transportation. But when you're out, you don't need to wear a mask. So no parent had on mask at the school gate. None of the kids had on masks. So Lord, guide and protect us, because I don't know what to say. I don't know how to feel about this. I really don't know how to feel about it. How you feel about not wearing masks?
I'm happy.
You're happy, but what if you catch COVID?
Well, if I catch COVID, of one, I don't know if I could catch COVID since I never catch it.
I know, but you can still catch it. So I'm
Yes.
saying, how do you feel not wearing masks? Even though wearing masks, you could still catch COVID. But how do you feel
I'm a bit more comfortable.
You're a bit more comfortable. So you're not worried about catching COVID.
Yeah.
You're not worried about catching COVID?
Yes.
You know, Tyler's laughing because Sarah is in my big boots. She carries him complete down right here. So you're happy about being able to breathe at school and not wearing masks?
Yes.
Okay, enjoy, but just try and be safe, okay?
Okay, Mama, I will do my best.
Very good. How was school?
Very good.
Awesome. Having homework?
Homework?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's get to it. Let's get to it, baby. Anyway, you guys, I am back from all the shenging, all the duties of outside. I'm inside now, have to make dinner. Let me turn on the oven because I know chicken is gonna go in it. So let's preheat that. And I already have rice, so I'm not gonna cook any carbs. So I need to figure out what veggies. I think I'm going to do broccoli. Anyway, you guys, I have a bunch of stuff to do around here. My house, I haven't picked up anything or tidied anywhere from morning, so my house feels heavy. It's just an absolute mess. So I need to go sort that out. I have work to do. I just have a bunch of things to get done, and it's 5 p.m. My day is still very much busy around here. Anyway, let's go do the do. With Tyler at the same time.
Wow!
Une paille. Une filette.
Une quoi?
Filette.
Une filette? Filette.
Mm-hmm.
Which one? Une filette.
C'est quoi une filette?
Ah non, pas une filette, une fillette.
Oh, une
It's
fillette.
one way.
Ah, c'est comme une fille, une
Yes,
fillette.
it's just another word to say fee sometimes. Sometimes instead of fillette.
Okay, but at what point you use fillette?
Fillette, I can help me. Fillette is like Sarah, c'est la petite fillette.
Okay, because she's little like this.
C'est une fille. Non, c'est une fille. A girl.
But a little girl.
No, a petite girl.
Yeah, a little girl.
Yes.
Like a little baby
It's like
girl.
It's a fillette.
Okay, I understand now.
It's so like easier to sleep.
Okay, I understand. You see the beauty about helping Tyler with his homework? It also helped my French. So he teaches me words that I get wrong. He helped me to understand what the meaning of some words, and it goes a long way. And Tyler is never afraid to explain to me what things mean and what I get wrong.
Une fillette.
Ok, une fillette. Le notre mot c'est une médaille. C'est ça?
Oui.
Ok.
Une médaille d'or, une médaille de bronze, une médaille d'argent.
Ok, je comprends. Even when he's doing his homework, Sarah can't give him a break. Le notre mot c'est un fauteuil. Un
Est-ce
fauteuil.
que tu sais ce que c'est un fauteuil?
Hein?
Un fauteuil, est-ce que tu sais ce que c'est?
Oui, c'est comme ça.
Non, ça c'est un canapé.
Oui, mais c'est un fauteuil, c'est le petit canapé. Wait, Sarah, wait. Oh my. I soon come to car with you. Wait.
Non, c'est un petit train.
Oh, she said petit train. Petit train. You better go to petit train. Oh. S'il te plaît, Tai. Sarah, c'est s'il te plaît.
Chouchou, le petit train, la 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 la. Chouchou, le petit train, la 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 la.
Le notre mot, c'est un réveil. Un réveil. So I did broccoli. I already had rice and roast chicken. So good. A is for
Apple.
very good. What letter is this?
B.
B is for
Breakfast.
big bird. Good job. What letter is this?
C.
C is for
Cat.
cat. Good job. What letter is this?
D.
D is for
Pussy.
D is for drum. Good job. Don't put your finger in your mouth. What letter is this?
E.
E is for
Elmo.
Elmo.
Egg.
K is for
Tail.
kangaroo and
Kite.
kites.
A key.
And key. Good job.
L is lion.
L is for lion. And
Ladybug.
ladybug.
Leaf.
And leaf.
Monkey.
M is for monkey. Tell brother night night.
Night night.
N. N is for
No.
note. Good job.
No.
Z is for
Zebra.
zebra. Bravo. Till feels night night.
Night night.
See you guys tomorrow.
Mother. Not quite. No quite. Me.
Yay!
Hey guys. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Good night.
Good night. That's something in French. We only say good night
When
for
you're
the
going to sleep.
So if it's,
Maybe it's the same thing in English. Maybe it's just us don't use it in the car. Maybe it's just
so
me
you
don't
never
use
go,
it in
for
the car.
example, if you go in a bus,
Oui.
you take the bus at 11 p.m. for example, and you say hello to the driver or anywhere. You never say good night in France. say bonsoir. It's like
Ah.
good evening. We
Okay.
never say, even if it's 2 a.m. and you're
No.
in a bus, we won't
I
say
don't
good
think that's
night.
how it is in 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 English, because I think when we're walking on the street as a kid and when it's night, we pass the person and say good night.
And eventually, when you say good night,
Uh-huh.
you can say good night when you're leaving as a greeting.
So
when
why
you
you
leave.
can say good night when you're leaving, but you can't say good night
That's,
if
is
you
the good night is like a
saying
goodbye.
goodbye.
Yeah, it's like a goodbye. during
You
the
guys
night.
comment down below, English people, and let me know what's the correct way we're supposed to do it in English. Because I'm sure growing up when it's night and you pass someone on the street, we do say good night as
Yeah,
a greeting.
So for example, when you go in the bus,
Mm-hmm.
it's 2 a.m. You go in the bus and say hello to the driver. You're gonna say like bonsoir as a
Okay, that's a greeting.
good evening.
Okay.
And when you leave, if you want
You
to
say
say
good night, you
bye,
can say good night.
you can say good night.
Ah,
But
okay.
you don't say good night as
No, I think we do say good night as a greeting back in English.
I think so.
You guys, let me just tell you how comfortable everybody at Tyler School today. They look happy. It was like Christmas without mask. I'm like, what? Everybody looks so bubbly and it looks strange. Like,
Because it's the first time Tyler
oh,
started.
not just the kids,
CP.
but the adults look
No,
excited.
I know, but when Tyler started CP, he had mask. So I mean, it's more than 2 years now.
Because he's in Syria, I know.
Yeah, and he have mask. So he
Wow.
always at this class, he always had mask.
I asked him how he feel about it. He said, Mama, I just feel happy to not be in any mask. I said, Lord, he don't understand how I wish. He said, Mama, can I continue wear mask? But it is what it is. I'm going to continue wear mine though, because I'm scared.
Well, I wear
I'm not
mine
ready.
today.
I'm not ready to let go of my mask.
Especially the fact that I'm coughing.
Though I still catch COVID by wearing my mask, but honey child, to each his own. I'm gonna wear my mask until I decide otherwise. But if you guys don't see me in my mask, just know that it's not mandatory anymore to wear a mask in France. So sometimes I can just breathe.
Even inside,
catch
because
air.
it wasn't mandatory outside, but now it's not mandatory inside too. So it's just like
What do you mean? Inside where? Inside places? But in public transportation
public
it is.
transportation. It is.
Oh, so like when you go in stores, it's not mandatory anymore?
You go in a bank, it's not mandatory anymore.
Until I
You're
want
going to-
nobody coughing on me. I'm gonna wear my mask. I'll be wearing my mask probably until summer.
Yeah.
But it's good to not be in mask and I can't start wearing about my lipstick. You hear what I'm saying? I can't start wearing my lipstick. That's funny. The little things that you miss. Can't start wearing about my pretty lipstick. So if me find my young boy out the street.
Yeah. 19 or 16. Yeah. 14. Yeah. Maybe 12. 12 is good.
Anyway, you guys, how's babe cough, you ask?
It's every how you say, every now and then. I mean, I was good all evening and chill now, and it's by time I'm starting to cough, and I will cough for a good time.
It's probably allergic to me, I don't know.
No, it was the same today, just after lunch, like at the moment where I started to cough. So, yeah. But otherwise, I'm okay. I'm having energy. It's just the cough. If the cough wasn't there, I would be perfect. So, I give thanks.
Sure that your haircut look nice though, friend.
Yeah, look fresh and young.
Okay, young and fresh.
Yeah, I
ready
got
to-
fresh
your
and
fruits
young
ready
girl.
for pick now.
I get fresh and young girl too.
I know he was gonna say something.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you do the bam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.